Hi everyone, hope you all must be doing great. So there is a very important announcement for the students who are appearing in May 2025 examinations. This is a workout batch for Income Tax CA Intermediate. It's starting from 25th of March. It's a 10 days full workout batch from 25th March to 3rd of April. Daily we'll be having a classes of around 2.5 hours each. It will start from early morning 7:30 a.m. till 10 a.m. So daily 2.5 hours you have to give it to me. I'll be giving you a little homework also side by side. And what about the workout batch? I have already taken so many workout batch in the past, and the results are tremendous. I'm telling you that with this workout batch, your confidence level, the way you will present in your examination would be increased so much that you will feel so much confident in income tax. I'll be dividing this into two parts. See, first we'll start with the chapter-wise revision as well as the when I'll be discussing with the workout batch. I will not only be discussing with the questions. I'll be telling you how you would be presenting it. We would be solving in the classes itself, and also I would be clearing the concepts also. So first 6 days it would be a chapter-wise revision. We'll start with the chapter number one, and we'll be covering all the chapters plus questions. And in the last 4 days, we will be doing the total income questions. And again, I'm repeating, I'm telling you that your confidence level, your way of writing would be improved at a very high level. So it's a combination of chapter wise and total income questions also. 100% exam oriented, very thorough practice of your questions. In fact, the students who have already taken the workout batch earlier, you can refer them, and they will tell you that how this is proved to be a very effective batch for them. So the fees is very nominal. It is just 1,000 rupees. You can go and register yourself. The link is in the description. It would be a live batch, and recording will also be available to all the students, even if you have opted for the live or you have opted just for the recording. Both the things would be available to you. So meet you in the class. Bye. Take care.